Semiconductors are essential to modern life, and memory and storage semiconductors in particular are at the heart of so many applications we depend on every day. From personal computers to smartphones to cars to cloud data centers, these technologies are fundamental to enriching our daily lives. Micron is leading the development of memory technologies, and today we announced our plans to invest $40 billion in the United States to build leading-edge memory manufacturing in multiple phases to help meet long-term demand for our products. This planned investment will help create 40,000 direct, indirect, and community jobs and strengthen U.S. supply chains and our national security. Today is a proud moment for the global Micron team and a strong step forward for American high-tech manufacturing leadership.